Welcome back to digital class, and this is the discussion for booklet number 7. And let's look at this question. AD and his sister walk from home to school. His sister started walking at 8 o'clock a.m. at an average speed of 50 meters per minute. So let me just quickly draw it. So this home, this is school, and this is the sister. Started at 8 o'clock morning, and the average speed is 50 meters per minute. And AD is here, is 8:05, and the speed is 60 meters per minute. And Eddie caught up with his sister at the midpoint between the school and his home. Means that it's a midpoint. Midpoint basically means that the middle, means that the distance here and the distance here is the same. Okay, should be nice like this. And find the distance between Eddie's home and the school. Now, again, for me, I'm actually quite interested with this method that I try to use is this one. Now they caught up at the same time. Means that the distance that they travel supposed to be the same. Now let me just write this. This is AD. This is the sister. Now AD basically is 60 meters per minute. Okay, let me just write here 60 meters per in 1 minute. Sister is 50 meters per 1 minute. Okay, now look at here. Again, the distance that they travel supposed to be the same, which means that I need to make the distance to be the same. So what should I do is I need to find the LCM again. So 60 and 50, what's the LCM? We know it's 300, right? So we times 5, and we times 6. So E is equal to 300 meter, 5 minute, 300 meter, 6 minute. However, if you look carefully, the distance, the time difference. Now, time difference, let me just quickly highlight this. The time difference here is actually how many minutes? It's actually 1 minute difference. However, if you look carefully here, let me just quickly highlight. One is 8 o'clock, one is 8:05. So it means that the difference between their time is supposed to be 5. So in order to meet that, I need to actually times 5 here, times 5 here, times 5 here, times 5 here. So that it will be equal to 1500 meter over 25 minutes equal to 1500 meter 30 minutes. Now we know that now the difference is 5 minutes. Can you see? The difference is 5 minute difference already. Why? Because this and this is supposed to be 5 minute difference. And when I know that it is actually 5 minute difference, and at the same time the distance that travel is the same, now I know that the distance here is 1500 meter. And with the last step, the question says what? The distance between Eddie's home and school means that it's from here up to here. So very simple, 1500 times 2, and the answer is 3000 meter, or you can say that it's 3 km. And we are done for this question. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is using the concept of common numerator. Try to make it the same. Then I try to satisfy the condition where it's actually 5 minute difference. Then I times 2 to find the total distance. Okay, it's an interesting question, and maybe you have some other methods to try to do it, but feel free to use it. Okay, I'm just sharing one of the methods that I would prefer to use. Thank you, and see you. Bye bye.